Good morning, students. Jay Swaminarayan. Thought for the day is expert in anything was a beginner. Once a beginner. That means whenever someone is expert in that field, but beginning of that, he is a whenever he started that doing something in that field, he was a beginner, and after doing practice, more practice, it will be converted into the expert of that field. Okay, students, that means practice makes man a perfect. Okay, students, in previously video we learn that is a different shapes or different pictures they are the given, and find the areas by the grid. Okay, and today we start like that only. Sums are given in our textbook, that is the page number 40. How many squares in me? That means some figures, some shapes given in the grid, and by counting that the square you just find out the area of the given figure. Is that clear? How many squares in me? The girl, here one girl picture is given is there, and he asked to another girl, what is the area of this triangle? Here two grids are given. Okay, these grids are in a square shape, and she asked to other, how is the area of this triangle? So how you calculate? Okay, here the triangle occupied the two squares, but its one is more than half, and its one is more less than one fourth. You know that ना, वन फोर्थ इट्स अ होल स्क्वायर, उसका हाफ करोगे तो ये 1/2 हो जाएगा, और हाफ से भी छोटा दैट इज द वन फोर्थ. ओके, तो यहाँ पे दो स्क्वायर ऑक्यूपाई किए, वन इज द less than one fourth and one is the more than half. So you just consider whenever a figure occupy more than half a grid, that grid you calculate the one. That means what is the area of that square? Yeah, the area of that triangle, it's a 1 square meter. Okay, the triangle is half the rectangle of the area 2 square centimeters. So its area is how much? Here they are finding the area of triangle by the counting of grid, and here they find the area of triangle by the calculation. That means here one square is given or one rectangle is given. In that rectangle, area of that rectangle is a 2 square centimeter. Okay, and that triangle is the half of rectangle. The half of means what? 2 का half हो जाएगा, it's a 1 square centimeter. Is that clear? Next, is this shape half of the big rectangle? Here again one shape is given, that is the in rectangle shape grid was given, and in that grid some pictures drawing. एक picture यहाँ पे draw किया है, and then they ask to us the is this shape the half of the big rectangle. यहाँ पे जो shape दिया है, that shape is the half of rectangle. तो first we find the area of rectangle. Okay, that is the whole grid is a rectangle. So you just count the how many rectangle it was. There is a how many area of that rectangle. Length it's a 4 and breadth it's a 2. Area of rectangle, its formula is length multiplied by breadth. So how much area that rectangle? It's 2 4s are 8 square centimeter. Is that clear? हमें एरिया पता चल गया किसका? रेक्टेंगल का. Then the shape is given, and that shape is the having area is the half of rectangle. The area of rectangle it's 8, so half of rectangle it will be 4. Okay, it's by the calculation. Without calculation, by counting the grid, you just count it. Here how many squares occupied by that grid? Yeah, that shape. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Here that is a square, 2 and 4, it's more than half. So we consider it's a whole. Okay, so and 1 and 3 it's a whole. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means your answer is correct. The area of that shape is the half of area of rectangle, which is the 4 square centimeter. Is that clear? Next question. Write the area in square centimeter of the shapes below. In that grid also some shapes are given. Okay, previously we learned that when you find the area of a given shape by the grid, you just find out the larger square or larger rectangle, then you can easily find the area of that figure. Is that clear? In that figure A, it's a वन ट्रायंगल इट वॉज फर्स्ट वन फिगर दैट इज द ए फिगर ट्रायंगल है. अगर हम ट्रायंगल को कैलकुलेट करते हैं या उसको एक्सटेंड करते हैं तो वो शेप इट्स फॉर्म इट्स अ रेक्टेंगल. ओके, एंड अगर आप केयरफुली देखोगे तो दैट ट्रायंगल इज द हाफ ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. तो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल क्या आएगा? 1 2 3 4. ब्रेड्थ आएगी 4, लेंथ आएगी 3. तो 4 3 इट्स 12 and half of 12 it's a 6 square centimeter. Okay, in my book I am already solving that sum. The area of triangle is the half of area of rectangle. The area of rectangle it's what? It's a 4 3s are 12. So 1 by 2 multiply by 12. 2 1s are 2 6s are. That means area of triangle is 6 square centimeter. Is that clear? Then second one figure, it's a figure of square like structure, but they are occupying different grids. Okay, there, so you just count the how many grids in half grid कितने का ऑक्यूपाई किए, 1/4 ग्रिड कितने काउंट किए, टोटल होल ग्रिड कितने काउंट किए. तो ओके, just look at that textbook. How many squares are whole? It's a 1 2 3 4. 4 आ गए आपके complete square. Here already I am written 4 complete square. That is the area of square B. Then half count करो. It's a half. Okay, तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. दैट मीन्स हाफ स्क्वेयर्स कितने हैं? 8 है. और 1/4 मतलब उसके कॉर्नर में 1 2 3 4, ये 1/4 हो गए. तो 4 कंप्लीट प्लस हाफ है आपके 8 एंड 1/4 है 4. 4 4 इट्स कट, इट विल बी 1. Then 1/2 multiply by 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are, so it's a 4, and 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 it's a 9 square centimeter. Is that clear? Then area of shape C. Okay, here 2 squares are whole squares. 2 squares are whole. Half is there? No, it's no half. And more than half it's a 2. Okay, it's a more than half, it's a 2. whole है आपके 2, half it's 0, and more than 2, more than half it's also 2. So 2 plus 2 it's a 4. That means area of shape C is 4 square centimeter. Is that clear, students? It's a 4 square centimeter. Then area of shape D. D it's very easy. Whole that is a 1 2 3 4 5. Whole is a 5, and half कितने हैं? 1 2. तो हाफ के 2 हो गए, तो 5 as it is. हाफ यानी 2 को 2 कट, it's a 1. 5 plus 1 it's a 6 square centimeter. Okay, like that figure E. Okay, in that figure E I am drawing for easily calculation is the one rectangle. वन रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ किया हैविंग द लेंथ 4 एंड ब्रेड्थ इट्स 3 एंड मैं जब रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करती हूँ तो उसके अपोजिट साइड में क्या फॉर्म हुए, ट्रायंगल्स फॉर्म हुए. इज दैट क्लियर? ट्रायंगल्स फॉर्म हुए. तो हाउ मेनी, दैट इज द होल, यू जस्ट काउंट इट. ओके, एंड हाउ मेनी हाफ, it just count it. Yeah, otherwise you just find the area of both triangle and that rectangle. तो you just count whole. whole कितने आते हैं देखो, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. टोटल कितने हैं, 18. होल स्क्वायर्स कितने हैं, 18. फिर हाफ कितने, जस्ट काउंट इट, 1 2 3 4 5 6. हाफ कितने हैं, 6 है, यानी हाफ 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6, 2 1 जार 2 3 जार 18 प्लस 3 इट्स अ 21 square centimeter. Same like that is a figure. Yup. Here how many squares? Hole 1 2 3 4. 4 holes है, and other 4 where I am tick marking, it's a half, more than half also 4. So 4 plus 4 it's a 8 square centimeter. Is that clear? Area of shape. Yup. Okay, like that only you have to solve the area of that given figure. Is that clear? In next figure, in next page, try triangles. Okay, both the big triangles is this rectangle have the same area. Here the grid is given, but if that grid is having a shape, it's a rectangle. In that rectangle, two triangles are drawn, and that triangles having the same area. Okay, but this looks very different. दोनों ट्रायंगल एरिया सेम है, बट उनके लुक क्या है, डिफरेंट है. वन ट्रायंगल इट्स राइट एंगल एंड अदर इट्स इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. ओके, देन यू जस्ट कैलकुलेट. दे आर आस्किंग द ब्लू ट्रायंगल इज द हाफ ऑफ बिग रेक्टेंगल. जो ब्लू ट्रायंगल है वो रेक्टेंगल के हाफ है. एरिया ऑफ बिग रेक्टेंगल इज 20. बिग रेक्टेंगल का एरिया कितना है, इट्स 20 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. सो द एरिया ऑफ ब्लू ट्रायंगल इज व्हाट, रेक्टेंगल का एरिया कितना है 20, और हाफ बोला है वो ब्लू ट्रायंगल का है. हाफ यानी 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 20, 2 1 जार 2 10 जार. सो 10 square centimeter is the answer. Is that clear? Like that. And what about rectangle? And what about rectangle? Here already they are saying that both triangles having the equal area. So if blue triangle is 10 square centimeter, obviously it's a red triangle also area 10 square centimeter. Is that clear? Next and last question of that page. In it there are two halls of two different rectangles. Those page they यहाँ पे दो, and that halls having the two rectangles. Okay, different rectangles. Now you find the area of these two rectangles. Sadiq is talking about what is the area of red triangle. Okay, आपको रेक्टेंगल का ट्रायंगल एरिया फाइंड करना है. आफ्टर दैट यू जस्ट फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ रेड ट्रायंगल. ओके, फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ टू रेक्टेंगल्स. अगर हम रेक्टेंगल्स का एरिया फाइंड करते, दैट बोथ ट्रायंगल्स, जो जैसे कि हमने देखा कि रेड जो आपका ऑरेंज रेक्टेंगल दिख रहा है उसका हाफ है ये साइड एंड ग्रीन का हाफ है ये साइड. तो यू जस्ट फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दैट and plus that is the added that the both areas of rectangle and they take the half of that. Okay, तो फर्स्ट वन रेक्टेंगल इसको सपोज करते हैं हम, ये फर्स्ट है और ये सेकेंड. एरिया ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स, रेड ट्रायंगल्स हम कंसिडर करते हैं, तो इट्स 4 and it's 3 and it's 2, it's 4. एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल 4 multiplied by 3. Area of other rectangle, second rectangle, it's 2 by 4. So 12 plus 8, it's a 20. And here area of triangle is the half of area of rectangle. Therefore 20 divided by 2, it's a 10 square centimeter, which is the area of the triangle in a red color. Understood students how to calculate area by the counting ग्रेड्स ऑफ काउंटिंग स्क्वायर इन द ग्रेड्स. ओके, टोटल जो होल स्क्वायर है उसको 1 1 ही काउंट करना है. हाफ है तो अगर हाफ 8 स्क्वायर से तो 8 के हो जाएंगे आधे, इट्स 4. अगर 10 हाफ है तो कितने हो जाएंगे 5 हो जाएंगे. फिर 1/4. ओके, यानी 4 1/4 आएंगे तो कितने हो जाएंगे 1 हो जाए. बट अ स्क्वायर हैविंग more than half, so you just calculate it 1 only. more than half स्क्वायर कवर किया है तो उसको आपको सपोज करना है 1, और बिलो 1/4 कंसिडर किया है, ऑक्यूपाई किया है, तो यू जस्ट टेक आउट द 0. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.